Hello, Parnassians, it's me, Magister Beck, and it's Wednesday, so you know what that means. It's another edition of Minute to Win It. This is week 20, and that means it's edition 20. So for this week, we are going to do something called To the Edge. And it's just basically you're going to grab a quarter bottle cap. I found a bottle cap in the garage. I'm outside doing this. It'd be a lot easier probably if you have a kitchen counter to do this on or a dining room table. But I'm outside because I made a PE video, so I'm just going to continue making videos outside. So I found a bottle cap, and I have this old bench that I'm sitting at right now. And the whole objective is you're going to set your kitchen timers or stopwatch timers for a minute, and you take your bottle cap, quarter, whatever apparatus you have, and you're going to flick it and try to get it to the edge of the countertop or bench or step or dining room table or whatever you're using, and see how many times you can get it to the edge. So if I flung it, that's perfect. That's a point or one, but that wouldn't be. So then I'd keep trying it. That's not close enough. You want it like at the very edge. So that's what we want you to do for this week of Minute to Win It. And I hope you guys have fun with it. Have a good one, Parnassians. Hopefully we see you soon. Bye.